Hello, children. How are you today? I think it's going to be a lovely warm day. I know that you have been working very hard on Starfall and IXL and Brain Pop, and I hope you've been reading the blue and red books and the Will books that I posted for you. We need to do phonics every day. If you will do at least 2 of Michaela's phonics shows she made for you, then it will help you, especially if you're in Miss Michaela's class or Mr. Russ's class. If you are in Mr. Dan's class or my class, then it's time to start doing this again. Or start if you hadn't started yet. And I know some of you in Mr. Russell's class are ready to start this also. So we're going to practice this today. And this will help you be a good reader, better than almost anything. So I hope you're ready to do this with me every day until you can read it with Mom and Dad. Children, we will do each column, and then we'll do the back side. We'll do all of the A column, front and back, all of the I, A. Okay, let's start. This is the A column. Ba, ka, da, fa, ga, ha, ja, la, ma, na. Pa, qua, qua, qua. Ra, sa, ta, va. Wah, 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 like a baby. Ax, ya, za. That's all of the A column. Now we're going to do the E column. And remember, when E and I are with C, they turn the C to the S sound. Ready? E. Be, ke, se, de, fe, ge, he, je, le, me, ne. Pe, que, re, se, te, ve, we, x, ye, ze. Now we're ready to do the I column. And remember, when I is with the C, it turns the C to the S sound. Bi, ki, si, di, fi, gi, hi, ji, li, mi, ni. Pi, qui, ri, si, ti, vi, wi, x, y, z. Now we're going to do the A column, but I have to show you something first. Well, these are all ah, but this says whoa. The funny thing is W-A usually says ah, so I'm going to change that to an A with my purple marker. Ready? A column. Ba, ka, da, fa, ga, ha, ja, la, ma, na. Pa, qua, ra, sa, ta, va, wa, ox, ya, za. We're almost done. Now we're on the column. This is easy. Ba, ka, da, fa, ga, ha, ja, la, ma, na. Pa, ra, sa, ta, va, wa, ox, ya, za. Now it would be nice if you do this every day with me on your computer and then print out a copy so you have a copy of both sides and read it every day to your mom or dad. Thank you, children. I'm so happy you're learning to read.